Over the last few months, we've seen a significant increase in the number of price reductions on homes listed for sale, both across the country and locally. Zillow recently reported that nearly 1 in 4 homes on its website across the country had a price reduction in April. This is the highest numbers they've seen since they started recording that data in 2018. Now, the markets with the highest rate of price reductions around the country are mostly the markets that had the most significant appreciation during the COVID era housing boom. Markets like Nashville, Tampa, Phoenix, and Salt Lake City. Now, we're also seeing this pattern of price reductions in the greater DC metro area. The rate of price reductions in our market is up 50 to 60% over what we've seen the last few years in February, March, and April. Price reductions are usually pretty low in the spring and ramp up significantly from June through October. So if that seasonal pattern continues, we could be seeing a lot more price reductions coming to our market in the DC metro area this summer and into the fall. Something that I've found interesting in the data so far this year is that despite all the price reductions and negative news, sellers have remained pretty optimistic when they go to market, with the average price of new listings 1 to 4% higher in the DC area than they were last year. And some of those sellers have been nicely rewarded for their optimism. With homes under contract or already closed in the last few months, a lot of those homes are up 2 to 5% year over year. But a lot of those sellers have also been punished for their optimism, with the average asking price of homes still listed for sale 7 to 12% lower than the average asking price last year. If sellers become less optimistic and start coming to market with lower asking prices, we'll probably see a drop in price reductions. However, if sellers remain optimistic when they come to market and are continued to drop the price to get buyers, we'll probably see that rate of price reductions continue through the summer and into the fall. If you'd like the full set of data and charts on this topic, just check out this week's Ask Eli column. Thanks for watching.